It's beautiful. Oh my gosh, beautiful. Look at those color. Ah, look at that bacon color. What temperature you aiming?
I think we're gonna try to get like close to 160 or something.
Yeah, it's not ready yet, huh?
Nope.
But it's beautiful. It's golden brown. Oh man.
We might as well take a temp of this one too.
Yeah.
Well, we got it open. Yeah, they're about 130.
Yeah. Very nice.
Wow. Oh, look at that. Would you look at it?
Wow. That bacon is smoked.
See, the center is still...
Yeah, because it's thick. Yep, some more. Probably 1 more hour.
Well, let me flip it all around. Like this.
Yeah, do that. Wow, very nice. Ooh, look at that. The big boys.
Alright.
So guys, there you go. That's beautiful. Smoke meatloaf wrapped in a bacon. Gorgeous. One of this meatloaf got pulled pork inside. Flavor. Nice. Yes. Oh, this one has a pulled pork.
Yeah.
Oh wow, look at that. Yeah, it's oozing.
Oozing, oozing,
It's oozing.
oozing.
Very nice. Alright, let me get this. Let's eat, guys. Meatloaf with pulled pork inside. Yes. Put that little piece there. And then I'll put the keep back like this. See that? This one. Sarap, honey. There's some bacon on the sides.